Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This video is for surf enthusiasts. Ready to catch some waves? We're about to embark on a journey to some of the most epic surf spots on the planet. Portugal, with its stunning coastline and consistent swells, is a true surfer's paradise. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, Portugal has something for everyone. From the legendary breaks of Nazare, where waves can reach heights of over 100 feet, to the mellow rollers of Arfana, perfect for beginners, this country has it all. So grab your boards, wax up, and get ready to explore the top beaches for surfers in Portugal. Let's dive in. Nazare. Just the name sends chills down a surfer's spine. It's a place where the ocean shows its raw power, a proving ground for those who dare to challenge the limits. You're sitting on your board, the air thick with anticipation. Suddenly, a wall of water, unlike anything you've ever seen, rises on the horizon. It's a monster, a behemoth, a Nazare wave. These waves are not for the faint of heart. They're the result of a unique underwater canyon that amplifies the swell, creating some of the biggest surfable waves on Earth. Surfing Nazare is more than just a sport. It's a test of courage, skill, and respect for the ocean's immense power. It's about pushing boundaries and riding the wave of your life. Guys like Garrett McNamara, Rodrigo Coxa, and Maya Gabera have etched their names in surfing history here, riding waves taller than skyscrapers. It's a spectacle that leaves you speechless, humbled by the sheer force of nature. But Nazare isn't just about giant waves. It's a charming fishing village with a rich history and culture. The energy here is electric, especially during the winter months when the big swells roll in. Even if you're not a big wave surfer, visiting Nazare is an experience like no other. Just witnessing these monstrous waves is something you'll never forget. It's a reminder of the ocean's incredible power and the surfers who dare to conquer it. Next up, we're heading south to Peniche, one of Europe's most iconic surf spots. This place is a barrel lover's paradise, known for its fast, hollow waves that break over a shallow sandbar. Super Tubos, meaning super tubes, lives up to its name. When the conditions are right, this place produces some of the most perfect barrels you'll ever see. It's the kind of wave that makes you feel like you're flying through a tunnel of water. This spot has been a regular stop on the World Surf League Championship Tour, attracting the world's best surfers who come to test their skills in these challenging waves. The energy here is electric during competitions, with the crowd cheering on as surfers pull into massive barrels. But even if you're not a pro, Super Tubes is still an incredible spot to surf. Just be sure to have some experience under your belt, as these waves can be powerful and demanding. The town of Peniche itself is a charming fishing village with a laid-back vibe. It's the perfect place to relax after a long day of surfing, enjoying fresh seafood and the company of fellow wave riders. So if you're looking for a taste of world-class barreling waves, Super Tubes in Peniche is the place to be. Let's paddle north now to Aisera, a charming fishing village and a true surfer's paradise. Aisera holds a special place in the surfing world as the first and only world surfing reserve in Europe. This coastline is blessed with an incredible variety of waves, from mellow beach breaks perfect for beginners to challenging reef breaks that will satisfy even the most experienced surfers. One of the most iconic spots in Aisera is Ribeira de Alas, a right-hand point break that offers long, rippable walls and the occasional barrel section. It's a classic wave that's suitable for surfers of all levels. Just south of Ribeira de Alas, you'll find Carcavelos, a powerful reef break that produces some of the heaviest waves in the area. This spot is not for the faint of heart and is best left to experienced surfers. But Aisera is more than just great waves. It's a town steeped in surfing history and culture. You'll find surf shops, camps, and schools everywhere you look. And the atmosphere is incredibly welcoming to those who share a passion for the ocean. So, whether you're looking for world-class waves, a laid-back surf town vibe, or just want to experience the stoke of European surfing, Aisera is a must-visit destination. Now we're heading south to the Algarve region, home to Arfana, a picturesque beach nestled between towering cliffs. This spot is a true gem, offering something for everyone, from beginners to seasoned pros. Arfana is known for its consistent waves, which break over a sandy bottom, making it a great place to learn to surf or improve your skills. The waves here are generally mellower than other spots on this list, providing a more forgiving environment for those still finding their feet. The beach itself is stunning, with golden sand, crystal clear water, and dramatic cliffs that provide a breathtaking backdrop for your surf sessions. It's the kind of place where you can easily spend the entire day soaking up the sun, enjoying the waves, and simply enjoying the beauty of your surroundings. Arfana is also a great spot for longboarding, with its long rolling waves offering plenty of space to practice your turns and maneuvers. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can paddle out to the point break, where you'll find faster, more challenging waves. Whether you're a beginner looking for a gentle introduction to surfing, or an experienced surfer seeking a fun and scenic spot to enjoy the waves, Arfana is a must-visit destination on your Portuguese surf trip. Our final stop takes us just outside of Lisbon to Carcavelos, a legendary beach that holds a special place in Portuguese surfing history. This is where it all began, the birthplace of surfing in Portugal. Back in the 1950s, a few adventurous souls brought the sport to these shores, and Carcavelos quickly became a hub for early adopters and those seeking to ride the waves of this new and exciting sport. Today, Carcavelos is a bustling beach with a vibrant surf scene. It's a popular spot for locals and visitors alike, offering a taste of Portuguese surf culture just a stone's throw from the capital city. The waves here are generally mellow and consistent, making it a great place for beginners to learn, or for more experienced surfers to enjoy a fun and relaxed session. And with its close proximity to Lisbon, Carcavelos is the perfect place to combine a city break with some epic surfing. So, if you're looking to experience the roots of Portuguese surfing and catch some waves in a historic and lively setting, Carcavelos is the place to be. So there you have it, folks. Portugal, with its diverse coastline and incredible waves, offers a surfing experience like no other. Whether you're chasing giant swells in Nazare, carving up barrels in Aisera, or enjoying the mellow vibes of Arfana, Portugal has something for everyone. But remember, surfing is not just about riding waves, it's about connecting with the ocean, respecting its power, and embracing the stoke that comes with riding a wave to shore. So, grab your board, book your trip, and get ready to experience the magic of surfing in Portugal. Catch you on the next wave.